Google your business, but what shows up? Have you ever Googled your own business? No photos? Wrong hours? No reviews? That's what your customers are seeing. Just like that, they're gone. Stick with me for 2 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it and stand out, what most business owners miss. Your Google business profile is one of the most powerful tools for local visibility, and yet most businesses ignore it. If it's missing, unverified, or outdated, you're basically invisible. Worse, Google sees it as low trust, which means fewer views, fewer clicks, and missed customers you didn't even know were searching. What a good profile can do. Now here's what an optimized profile can do for you. Show up higher in local search, build trust with real reviews, photos, and complete info, drive more calls, bookings, and directions, and give you free insights into how customers find and interact with your business. And guess what? All of that is totally free if it's set up right. Why this matters? Now, in a world where everyone Googles before they buy, your first impression isn't your storefront anymore. It's your Google business profile. If it's not updated, you're losing leads. But use it the right way. Post weekly, reply to reviews, add offers, and it becomes your secret growth engine. Want to know if your profile's helping or hurting? Here's the deal. I'm offering a free Google Business Profile audit, but only for the first 20 people who comment their business name below. We'll break down what's working, what's not, and give you clear next steps. No fluff, just results. If you're serious about showing up and standing out, drop your business name now, before the 20 spots are gone.